Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cut video in InShot app. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search here InShot and download that application. Then you need to click on open. Once you open, you simply need to click on video, click on new and select a random video from your smartphone. So let me select a video. So I am going to select this video for example. Then you need to click on the tick mark in the right bottom corner. Okay, and here you can find different options. You simply need to click on pre-cut, and here you can find three options: trim, cut, split. For this video we are going to click on cut. So here you can see that you have two different parts. So let me select this and select this, and the middle part we want to cut. Then you simply need to click on the tick mark, and then you need to click on save on the top right. So this is the process by which you can cut video in InShot app. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.